Hi, I hope you're doing well. All right, so welcome to this lesson. It's Gift today. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, so I want to show you how to use Canva. Okay, I want to introduce you to Canva interface. All right, so Canva recently made an update. Okay, they upgraded the interface of the platform. Okay, yeah, this is what we heard about but some few months ago. Okay, yeah, but basically everything is the same. If you've used Canva before, everything is the same. The functions, but only the interface looks different a little bit. Okay, yeah, but all in all, I'm going to explain so that you're able to navigate through it. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. I'm your coach, Gifted Nonde. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. So when you open your Canva, you've set up your account and everything, and then you just want to start creating something. The important patterns that you should always know are these at the bottom here. Okay, all right, so even if Canva tries to do the upgrade, um, these will always be there. Okay, these will always be there. These are the most important three ones. Okay, yeah, they're the most important icons to look for. All right, okay, if you're able to find these, you can be able to do everything in Canva. Okay, so the first thing under create is what you can see here. Okay, what you can see here. All right, so under create, I've got different document setups here. Okay, I've got different documents here. You can see magic video, ads, social media, video, photo editor, presentations, doc, Canva code, website, email, custom size, Instagram, new, different types. Okay, different types of document templates. Okay, yeah. So and then on the other hand here, you've got your designs on the next one here. Your designs is basically what you have worked on. All right, the designs you've worked on, the recent designs. If you've never worked on any project, not worked on any design, you're not going to find anything here. But for me, you can see there are different projects here. Okay, simply because I have designed something before. Okay, so under projects here, you can even have some folders here or projects. Your projects are shared with you. Okay, that is, if you click on top, you can filter. Okay, the type of project you can also filter here. If it's the designs, images, folders, or videos, you can be able to filter here the category. Okay, the owner or date modified. Okay, yeah, so that is it on your designs. Templates, basically it's a template. So Canva has got templates. You can be able to use a number of templates starting from videos, posters, documents, presentations, all of them, invitations. Be able to find the templates. So be able to learn how to create, how to customize templates in the course later on. Okay, but for now I just want you to pay attention to the interface. Okay, so let me go back to create. Under create here, let's say for instance, um, you've picked here presentation. So when you open your presentation, click presentation there. Let me get back so that you're able to see. So if you click presentation here, presentation, all right. If you click presentation, a document to be able to open. Okay, the canvas document, your workspace. Okay, and just after it opens, you'll be able to see some templates. They show some templates you can start with. Okay, yeah, but you can always cancel. Maybe if you want to start from scratch, you can start from scratch. Okay, so this is the workspace interface. All right, so when it just opens, it will show you some templates here. You've seen annual report, business proposal, different templates that you can start with. Okay, and also take note of this. Let me mention it now. Anytime you see a premium, you see a crown, this it means that design, that particular element is not free and you can't use it if you're not a premium user. Okay, the gold crown means that you need to pay for it. Okay, but there's still free ones like this or this is free. You can be able to use them for free. Others, you need to be on subscription. Okay, yeah, so that is it. So basically it's the same that happens with all the functions here, right? Sheets, websites. You can be able to create some websites in Canva. Okay, Instagram story, and then you have custom size. Very much important. Custom size when you want to start everything from scratch with your own size. Okay, so under custom size here, you can put your own size. So if you click custom size, okay, I'm able to write my own size. Let's say I want to use 1280 pixels by 1280 pixels, maybe by 1000 or by 1080, 1080 pixels. Okay, so on this side, on the units part, you've got inches, millimeters, and meters, and pixels. So for me, I use pixels, and I think I recommend to use pixels. Okay, after you've put the size, you can now click new design. All right, yeah. So that one you're able to start with your own size. Okay, especially if you're maybe creating a gen going for print for specific purposes, always use your custom size. Okay, but if some templates are there similar, you can click what we have here. All right, you can click what we have. Maybe it's presentations, Instagram story, Facebook post. But it's a Facebook post, you don't have to be certain size every time. Um, they are all the sizes here. Okay, uploads is when you want to upload anything in Canva, elements in Canva. Maybe it's an image, it's a background, it's an icon, anything you want to use in Canva. And when you upload, you can be able to use even on another device. You just log in on a different device, you can still be able to find those elements. Okay, yeah, so if you click upload here, you're able to upload different, take it to your files, and then you can upload different images, different images that you can be able to use. Okay, for instance, let me upload um let me see if I can upload something. Okay, all right, what can I upload here? Okay, anyway, but just be select the image if it's an image or anything. Yeah, I'll be able to explain later in the course. Okay, yeah, so I said that image, but I'll be able to learn later on. So that is it on this create button. You've got a lot of them. Okay, t-shirt, sticker, flyer, poster, document, phone wallpaper, visual background, YouTube thumbnail, TikTok video, mobile video, different of them. When you open them, it's a blank document, and then they'll show you some templates that you can start with, or just start from scratch yourself. Okay, that is under create. Okay, and then on the account here on top, at your left top here, the account, there's just the theme and settings. Basically, it's under the so on your profile, it's basically the names, the email, okay, and stuff like that. Okay, the basic information about your account. Okay, and then we have help and resources if you want to reach out to Canva. Okay, yeah, plans and pricing if you want to reach out, if you want to make a subscription, you want to check the pricing. When you click that, to open a new tab, okay, in your browser, and they'll show you some plans. Okay, so Canva for per month, okay, it's 0 for the first plan is free. Okay, you're able to do some designs, you're able to do something, a number of work, you can do most of the work, but only that you're limited to some features. Okay, and the pro plan, okay, is $15 per month, but there's this discount for this 3 months. I don't know if it's Black Friday or something. Yeah, wow, they've reduced to $57 per month. Okay, okay. All right, $7 per month. Yeah, but if you want a subscription, we have a program, and it's around ZMW 100. Okay, 100 kwacha for 3 months. Okay, if in dollars it's around $4 to $5. Okay, yeah. So that is if you want a premium subscription. But if you don't want, you can still do the free stuff with the Canva provisions. What Canva gives. Okay, yeah. So let's go back. And then we've got the other part. If you want to log out, yeah, that is it. Okay, so templates, let's go to templates. So templates here, number 3 here, the one in between. Templates, you can find different templates, videos, anything that you can start with. We'll be able to discuss templates, how to can customize in the course as we go. So let's say you want to design something about skincare. Okay, you can type on top here the search bar, skincare, and then you find some designs. Okay, so it's nice design, but it's a premium. You have to be a premium user. Okay, remember there's this code icon for you to use that. Okay, to customize it to your own details. All right, so and then there's different that are free and others that are needs you to be on subscription. Okay, that is it for templates. And then we've got business. This is the Canva premium business. Okay, so if your business goes with Canva business, okay, it's a premium subscription. I think we don't need it for now. Let me not touch it. We've got more here. We've got the Canva AI. There are some AI features that you can be able to use. We'll explore them later. We've got apps, the apps in Canva, different apps in Canva. Okay, like AI generation, audios and voiceovers, can generate voiceovers. Maybe if you're getting a video and you need some voiceover. Okay, the um, lists, emoji maker, close with AI, different tools, different apps. Okay, yeah, but most there are very few that I use and to be able to talk about them. Okay, yeah, and then there's design school. You find some tutorials here as well for about Canva. So that is it. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Anything else to be able to discuss as we go. So in the next video, we're going to learn how to, you've opened a document. Let me open the custom size, okay, like this document, and then we're going to learn about the tools inside the interface, your workspace, okay, your canvas. Okay, so what you can see here, the white thing here is your canvas where you are able to work from. Okay, so be able to explore the design tools at the bottom and on top here. Okay, be able to explore the design tools here, that the tools that you need to design and other things on top there for you, that you need to use, the important ones. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next